In this lecture, I am going to tell you about another source from where you can download royalty-free music. Now the source is none other than YouTube itself. From YouTube, you can download these audio files which you can use easily in your YouTube files without getting any copyright strike. For doing this, you need to log in into your YouTube account. So let me show you how to do it. So now I am logging in one of my YouTube account. I need to enter my password here. Now I have come to the dashboard of my account. Now we need to go to Creator Studio. After clicking Creator Studio, you will have to go to this section called Create. Now this section which has appeared is called Audio Library of YouTube. From here you can download audio files, free music for your YouTube videos. As you can see, there are many tracks there and different audio durations are there. You can see the category of music, the kind of instrument they are using for this thing. For downloading these free music, you just have to click download button. Now this audio file has been downloaded. So this is very easy way to download free music for your YouTube videos. I will see you in the next lecture.